Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this quick video, I'm going to be reviewing Viasat, which is a satellite internet provider that is designed for rural and remote areas where the additional broadband isn't available. So if you are thinking about signing up, you can just check out the link in the description for the latest plans and offers. So Viasat, as I said earlier, is a satellite-based internet service that provides coverage in the areas where fiber or cable internet isn't accessible. It actually offers various speed plans like unlimited data options and the nationwide availability. That makes it a popular choice for the users in the undeserved regions. So here, if I talk about its pros, so you are going to get the wide coverage because it is available almost anywhere in the United States, including remote and the rural locations. You will also get the higher speed than DLS because it offers up to 100 Mbps, which is better than any other DLS connections. There is no hard data caps as well, so even if you exceed your data limit, you still get your internet access at reduced speeds. Now there are some of the cons here that you need to consider. Like the first con would be the high latency. So satellite internet has higher ping times, making it less ideal for gaming and video calls, and the plans are also quite expensive. So pricing is on the higher side as compared to the fiber and the cable, especially for the faster speeds. If we talk about the data throttling, you might face some problems with that as well. While there is no hard caps, speed can slow down during the peak hours if you exceed your data threshold. So if you live in a rural area with limited internet options, Viasat can be a solid choice with the higher speed than DLS and the nationwide availability. However, if you need low latency for gaming or video calls, or if you have access to fiber or cable, those options are much better for you. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.